And we're back here at the Stock Recap Show. It is 26 April 2023, and I'm super excited to get into it today. We have a special AI episode where we found 12 AI and AI-related stocks. So let's play a little game called Is It Hot or Is It Not? I don't know. Let's find out. But before we get into it, super important disclaimer to cover. These videos are all intended for education purposes only. Trade your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders lose money. 1 in 3 traders lose 90% or more. There's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Results are not typical. We got a high, fly, ball, and it is out of here. FTAI is a super high flyer, no pun intended. It is in the aviation space here, okay? So this was the first pretty large AI company. I mean, it's not even really AI related. It just has AI in the ticker, but this was the first highlight, and we did give it a hot. But I do want to point out the fact that it is not really AI related that I could find. Okay, so it looks like they manage aviation assets, and they're even involved in Ukraine and Russia, supplying them planes and things. Okay, so do your due diligence if you're going to invest in this. But we did call it hot just because the chart technicals are looking good. Kind of looks like a high base pattern here. Okay, so that was the first ticker. And AI is the next ticker. This company is in the AI space, but we gave it a not because the chart technicals just don't look all that great here. It seems to have dropped off in the last month. Okay. So we gave it a not here. SoundHound AI is the next ticker, and little $500 million company here. Okay, so nothing to sneeze at, but because of the recent pullback here, and it is pretty speculative at this point. There's not too much revenue here, 31 million in revenue. Okay, so we ended up giving this a not overall. That doesn't mean that it can't turn on a dime though. Okay, this could take off tomorrow. BTAI is the next one. This is in healthcare biotech. So this is a $580 million market cap company here. And we also gave this a not, but it is in the artificial intelligence space. Even though it's a biotech company, it does engage in utilizing artificial intelligence in their approaches. So that's pretty cool for a biotech company. So definitely on the radar and on the watch lists. BBAI, Big Bear AI Holdings, is a technology company. And this was heating up today, up 18.6%. We did end up giving it a hot here. And it's been hot in the past. It ran from like 1 to 6, then went back down below 2. Now it's hovering right below 3. We do think this could get really hot here. Butterfly Networks is the next one, BFLY. This is in the healthcare medical devices space, but it does have an FDA cleared AI enabled lung tool, which was super cool. And I actually bought in this company off this news, and I'm still, full disclaimer, I'm still holding it, but it does not look very good, technically speaking, and it's definitely on the not hot list on this list. Okay. ATAI is the next one. ATAI Life Sciences. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. It's a healthcare biotech company out of Germany. 313 million market cap, and it traded just under 1 million shares today. But because I really couldn't find that it was AI related and the technicals don't look all that great, we ended up going with a not for this. Is it hot or is it not? And the next one is PRST, Presto Automation. This actually had me a little excited, and it's been a little hotter recently than most AI stocks. It's up 131% on the month, and it is in the automation technology provider space, and they do have a vision product to consist of a platform-based artificial intelligence powered computer which seems pretty cool. I don't know if that makes sense that they'd be in the AI space already, if they're actually utilizing this technology, or if that's just like a vision of a product in the future. I'm not sure, but super cool. And it has me a little excited that it's in the hospitality industry. Okay, so we did label this as a hot. And the next is CXAI. I really didn't know what to think too much of this one. I really couldn't find if it was all that AI related or not. So I just went ahead and called this not because it looked pretty flat on the technicals as well. SAI, this is a financial capital markets company out of Singapore. And this is actually not really AI related at all, besides having AI in the ticker. But if you look into what they do, they're into Bitcoin mining operations, and it looks like crypto markets are heating up. So that's probably why it was up 34% today. So that's pretty cool. Bullfrog AI is the next one, BFRG, and this is a recent IPO here. Super small cap, really speculative play here, only 39 million market cap. I think it could fall a little more here before it actually bottoms. So I labeled this as a not hot, okay? Next one, GFAI, Guard Force AI. This is a security and protection services out of Taiwan. Also super small company, really speculative play, but they do have sales here. They have $3.58 cash per share. So hopefully that's enough cash to get through this incoming recession here. They have 1,700 employees. So this looks a little more stable than the last Bullfrog AI. So we did call this a hot. There was some recent news here. They reported revenue of 34.5 million, which is, nothing to sneeze at. The market cap itself is only 33 million, but the robotics AI solutions revenue increased 245.1%, which definitely had me a little excited. And just from a business perspective, if they can capitalize on funneling some of their capital to this segment of their business that is seeing this explosion in revenue growth, then they should be able to capitalize and get some return on investment from that. So hopefully they can do that and turn this recent downturn around. We do think this is a hot stock, even though it's fell from 35 to 15 in the last couple of weeks. I do think we're close to a bottom. Maybe it bottoms out at 10 or so, but I think this is moving higher longer term. Definitely do your due diligence. Don't just take my word for it, though. And that's it for this AI stock recap show. And the next one is going to be crypto stocks. So hopefully everyone will subscribe for those. And if you want to leave your comments below, feel free to mention a hot trend that you want me to do similar video, or just leave your comments about this video, what you liked, what you didn't, and I might incorporate those comments. Okay, I read them all. So that's it for this episode here. If you are looking to become a world-class trader, you really should surround yourself by the best people in the industry that are doing it. I know it can be incredibly painful and frustrating, especially for beginner and intermediate traders who maybe don't have it all figured out yet. But there is an easier way here to accelerate your trade profits. And it's by scheduling a call on FridayTraders.com, where you can speak to myself or an expert member of our team that can walk you through what you need to know on your trade journey and assist you in the moment with your hot problems. Okay, so you can change it all today by scheduling this one call. I look forward to speaking with you, and happy trading. I'll see you in the next show. See you then.